Yes, gang, it's right. That's right. It's Poppy's other workshop.
And straight after that, we've got Poppy. If you haven't seen Poppy's channel, go and check him out too. He's good for a chat, he's fun, and he makes cool stuff.
All right, let's try this again. It's Poppy's other workshop. This evening's victim, you've seen these. Your dollar store shadow box display. You hang it on the wall. Put all kinds of little crap in these cubby holes. What you want to do, you see here, and here, and here. This one's white, the others are clear. Your basic push pin. Make sure they're all the same length, and you bang them in here at the bottom of the back. What it does is it kicks it out just a little bit. Not enough to be really noticeable, but enough to keep the small crap from falling out of the little shadow box squares. Yeah. I don't care if your wife tells you you're crazy for doing it. Do it anyway. Or let her make you not do it. Then when stuff starts falling off of the out of the shadow box squares, next time she's not looking, take it down, bang them in, and hang it back up. When she notices, you show her why. If she doesn't notice, drag her over by her hands and point at it. It's cheap. It's effective. This is the hammer I drove him in with. It's one of those ones, a screwdriver screwed in here with a little screwdriver in it, and a little screwdriver in it, and two other littler ones in the littler one. Those are missing, and the wood is a piece of a paintbrush. Perfect for banging push pins into the back of those shadow box display things you get at the dollar store. Wally World. You're welcome.